All right, I got one more. I got time for one more if it's a short one. It seems like we take the Bible literally on topics like baptism and figuratively on topics like communion. Why is that? Oh boy. I wish I knew what the person was saying, so I wish I could get some clarity there. I think for people who are in the Protestant form, primarily the evangelical form, we would say that baptism is a symbol. It's an external symbol of an internal work that's happened inside of us. And the work is our trust in Jesus and the new life that he brings us. And the idea of communion is that communion is also a symbol of what Jesus has done for us, that he's given his life, he's given his blood, he's given his body for us. And every time we take this, we do this in remembrance of Jesus, that both of them are ordinances that are symbolic of a very important thing. One, Jesus washing us clean and giving us new life. The other one, Jesus' death and resurrection that becomes, whoa, there goes the glasses. The other one is the idea of the ordinance that Jesus died on our behalf and that we remember him and that we take him inside of us as a big memory of who he is. So baptism, communion, both very important things, and both of them are symbols of the amazing work that Jesus has done for us. And Jesus died for us to bring us new life, and we participate that by going under the water and coming back out again. And Jesus died for us to give us new life, and we symbolize that by taking the bread and the cup inside of us. And this is really, really good news. And God's people said, right on. Okay.